welcome back to today's video. We are going to be doing a BOXYCHARM unboxing. I have here the BOXYCHARM for the month of March. So we are going to be unboxing it. I'll be showing you all of the products that are inside this month. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. My BOXYCHARM unboxings. I do these every single month, and if you are new to what BOXYCHARM is, it is a monthly subscription service where you receive 4 to 5 full-size products every single month. It is $21. I always have my link down in the description box if you guys want to sign up for it. So I'm excited to see what we got this month. I'm going to go ahead and open our box. So I'm just going to share all of the products. There's always a card inside of each one of the box, and this month's theme is La Vie en Rose. So my card does have a 1 right there. I know you guys always ask me to show you which one. So this is variation number 1 that my box is. The first thing I see is from Moda Brushes, which you guys know I love their brushes. So this is the Powder and Soft Glow set. I don't think I've seen this one. I don't know if this is an exclusive to BOXYCHARM or not, but I don't think I've ever seen this set before. So this is going to be 2 different brushes inside of here. So you're going to have a powder brush and then also a highlighting brush. So the total cost of this is going to be $29 for the 2 brushes. Here is what they both look like. So this one here is going to be your powder brush. Feels really soft. I love the actual handles on these. I think they're really pretty. It's like a metallic handle. And then you have the highlighting one, which is different. It definitely tapers, but it also feels very, very nice as well. So this would kind of actually, I think, be perfect for just like a subtle glow or a really blinding glow. I'm excited to try these out. So those are the 2 brushes that I first got in this box. Again, those are $29 for the double set. Up next, I see a lip product. We have something from Ofra. This is a long-lasting liquid lipstick. This one doesn't have a shade name on the bottom. I'm not sure if this is an exclusive shade. Again, here is what it looks like. It looks like it's going to be more of a metallic for sure. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it for you guys. Yeah, like it definitely has a bit of a sheen to it. I love the formula of Ofra's liquid lipsticks. They're one of my favorites. They're very long-lasting, really nice on the lips. So there is a swatch of the shade right there. And like I said, it almost looks like it's one of their metallics, but it doesn't say it is, but it definitely has a bit of a sheen to it. And then the next thing in here, I'm not sure what this is. So this says Appeal. Oh, this is a liquid eyeshadow from the brand Appeal. And let's see, it looks like a golden eyeshadow. I'm going to go ahead and open it up so we can see what it looks like. So the applicator is just a brush on applicator. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it. This looks very, very pigmented. So it looks like a very metallic golden copper shade. Looks very, very foiled. It looks really nice. I've never heard of this brand before. I'm going to see the price on this one is going to be $21. All right, next up we have something from Wonder Beauty, and this is their Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. I believe I've already tried this one before, but here is what that one looks like. It says excess oil and impurities are drawn out, and it's going to minimize the appearance of pores. So it's just going to kind of clean out your skin and give you fresh, clean pores. And then the last thing this month we are getting is this Cover FX palette, and I'm excited about this. I saw one of the teasers on the BOXYCHARM website, and I thought this looks so cool. Oh my god, I'm so excited about this. So here is the inside of the palette. I believe these are exclusive to BOXYCHARM. So I got the light medium, and I believe there's also a medium to deep that's going to be in these boxes as well. The price on this one, they are saying, is $45, and from what I understand, this is an exclusive palette that they created just with BOXYCHARM. So inside of here, you have all of these really pretty shades. So it looks like you have a blush, you have a finishing powder, a brightener, and then 2 highlighters and a contour. Okay, so here are all these swatches from the face palette here. So we have the blush, the contour, both of these right here are the highlights. And then I swatched the brightening powder and then the finishing powder here on the other side. So I'm actually really excited to try this out on the face. Both of the highlights look really nice. The contour looks nice. I'm kind of curious about this brightening powder because on my skin tone, it looks like it's going to be a highlight. So I'm not exactly sure how that's going to be, if that's meant to be like under the eyes or what that's meant for. But this looks like a really nice palette for a only $20 box. I definitely think you're getting a good value with this one. So I'm going to go ahead and add up all of the products. So the total cost of this month's box is $149, like retail value. That is how much you are getting worth in this box. I think it was a really good box this month. I love the palette. First off, I love getting face palettes. That's always exciting. Something different than a regular eyeshadow palette like we normally get. And then the brushes from Moda look really, really nice. I love Moda's brushes, so I definitely bet these will be great quality. I like the fact that they kind of gave you a highlighting brush and a powder brush with the palette. I think that that was like a nice add-on there. And then we have the Wonder Beauty Peel Off Mask. I believe I've tried this one before and I did like it as well. I think there's definitely variety with the liquid eyeshadow, then you have the liquid lipstick. I think everything kind of goes together with the rose theme as far as like the packaging on everything and everything like that. So I'm pretty impressed with this month's box. I would love to know down below what you guys got, if you've received your box yet. Which variation did you get? I will have the dimensions and everything on my box listed down in the description box. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. I will have the link down below again to sign up for BOXYCHARM if you do want to sign up for it. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel before you guys go, and I will see you in my next video.